Hey there, Tutor LMS users. Want to supercharge your online course with a real-time chat feature for student-to-student and student-to-instructor communication? Well, guess what? It's already there, you just need to unlock it. Let me show you how to enable Tutor LMS Chat. First, make sure the Tutor LMS Chat plugin is installed, activated, and the Firebase API credentials are correctly filled in the settings. So here's the catch: if you're editing your course using the front-end course builder, you won't see the chat option at all. But don't worry, here's the simple trick most users miss. First, go to your Tutor LMS Courses section in your WordPress dashboard. Find your course and click on the Edit link. You'll now see the front-end course editor, but that's not where the magic happens. To enable the chat, we need to switch to legacy mode. Look at the top right corner, beside the update button, there's a drop-down icon. Click it and select Edit in legacy mode. Boom! You're now back in the classic editor. Now, on the right-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see the option, Enable LMS Conversation. Simply toggle it on, then hit Update. That's it. You've now enabled chat for this course. Your students can now connect, ask questions, and engage like never before.